You've probably seen those faceless YouTube channels racking up millions of views. Slick videos, AI voiceovers, and never a single face on screen. But here's the real question. How are they making so much money on YouTube? In today's video, we're breaking down the ultimate guide to AI monetization strategies for faceless creators. Whether you're building your first YouTube channel, selling digital products, or starting a fully automated content business, I'll show you exactly how to turn AI into income. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start earning, even if you never appear on camera. Let's start with the most popular method, YouTube automation. With tools like ChatGPT, Pictory.ai, and 11 Labs, you can create entire videos without recording anything. First, use ChatGPT to write your script. Then, feed the script into OpenAI.fm or 11 Labs to generate a natural voiceover. Next, use Pictory to combine your audio with stock footage and dynamic visuals. Finally, polish your thumbnail in Google AI or Canva. Once your video's ready, upload it to YouTube and enable monetization. You'll earn through AdSense. Every time someone watches or clicks on an ad, you make money. Is this not interesting? The key? Focus on evergreen niches, like let's say you're reviewing AI tools, microphones, or editing apps. You can use ChatGPT to script the video, then use InVideo or Runway ML to generate visuals effortlessly. Add your affiliate links in the video description. When viewers purchase using your link, you earn a commission. And here's the trick. Use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find trending but low competition keywords. This ensures your videos get discovered faster and rank higher on the search engine. Sell digital products and templates. Next up, digital products. This is where AI really shines. With ChatGPT, you can write ebooks, guides, or Notion templates in hours, not weeks. Canva helps you design them beautifully. Once ready, list them on Gumroad, Payhip, or Ko-fi. Every time someone buys, you earn passive income. You can even sell prompt packs, AI-generated art, or editable video templates. To boost sales, offer a freebie, a short checklist, or sample template to build your email list. Go ahead, upsell your paid products using automated email sequences, voiceover, and video licensing. Now, here's a creative angle many people overlook: selling AI voiceovers and video licenses. With platforms like 11 Labs or Murph.ai, you can generate ultra-realistic voice tracks. These can be sold as stock audio or custom narrations for other creators. Similarly, create faceless videos using Pictory or Runway ML and license them to marketing agencies or brand pages. Package your videos into themed bundles. For example, 10 motivational shorts with captions and music, and sell them as ready-to-post content packs. Blog and SEO automation. Faceless creators aren't limited to video. You can build entire blogs and websites using AI. Tools like Koala Writer and Surfer SEO help you generate optimized articles automatically. Monetize through Google AdSense or affiliate links. Then, repurpose that same written content into YouTube videos, using your AI voice and visuals. This strategy doubles your reach without doubling your workload. Courses and educational channels. If you've learned how to use AI effectively, it's time to teach it to others. Use ChatGPT and Tome.app to create slides and outlines. Then record lessons using Synthesia.io, where an AI avatar delivers your voiceover script. Host your course on platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Skillshare, and start earning from every enrollment. To stand out, bundle your course with practical templates or AI tools, something students can apply immediately. Sell AI-powered services. One of the highest paying opportunities right now is offering AI-powered services. You can set up YouTube automation systems, generate SEO content, or provide AI editing and thumbnail creation for clients. Market your services on Fiverr or Upwork and charge per project or monthly retainers. Remember, most businesses know AI exists but don't know how to use it. You become their shortcut. Subscription and community income. Recurring income is the dream, and AI can help here too. Create a private membership, Patreon, or Discord group where you share exclusive AI insights, templates, or automation tutorials. Automate weekly newsletters using ChatGPT and MailerLite to deliver consistent value. You can even create tiered memberships, from free basic access to premium AI training. Short-form AI content. Short-form content is exploding, and AI tools make it effortless. Tools like Opus Clip or QuickVid turn long videos into viral short clips automatically. Monetize through YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels with ad revenue, brand deals, or affiliate links. Automation as a service. And here's your bonus strategy. Automation as a service. Once you master YouTube automation, you can sell that skill. Help small creators or businesses automate their own content systems. Charge for setup, consulting, or monthly management. This is where small creators evolve into business owners. So, there you have it. 10 powerful ways to monetize with AI as a faceless creator. Remember, the goal isn't to replace creativity, it's to amplify it. The more you automate, the more time you have to innovate. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because in the next video, we'll explore how to build your first fully automated faceless YouTube channel from scratch. Until next time, keep creating. Smart, efficient, and AI-powered.